Today, we have some exciting news for all Samsung Galaxy A series fans out there. Yes, that's right. We are diving deep into the camera showdown between the latest Galaxy A35 5G and its predecessor, the Galaxy A34. So if you're considering an upgrade or just curious about how these two devices stack up against each other, stick around. Samsung's Galaxy A35 might look similar to its predecessor, the A34, but there's more than meets the eye, especially when it comes to the camera department. According to the independent reviewer DXOMark, the Galaxy A35 has taken a significant leap forward in terms of camera performance. While both models share similar sensors, the A35 boasts a new 50-megapixel primary wide shooter compared to the A34's 48-megapixel unit. And the difference? Well, it's quite noticeable. DXOMark's extensive testing revealed that the Galaxy A35 captures superior photos and records higher quality videos, particularly excelling in low-light conditions. This improvement propels the A35 to claim the second spot in DXOMark's budget camera phone rankings, leaving the A34 behind at the 7th position. Now, you might be wondering if there are any areas where the Galaxy A34 outshines its successor. Well, according to DXOMark, the A34 does have better zoom capabilities, scoring higher in the zoom subcategory compared to the A35. However, when it comes to overall camera performance, the Galaxy A35 emerges as the clear winner. With enhancements in photo and video quality, improved bokeh effects, and better low-light capabilities, the A35 sets a new benchmark in its price range. But before you rush to upgrade, let's weigh the pros and cons. Sure, the Galaxy A35 offers an impressive camera setup, but is it worth the switch from the A34? Well, that depends on your priorities. If you can snag a good trade-in deal and crave the latest features like the Exynos 1380 chip, Wi-Fi 6 support, an Infinity O display with better Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, upgraded display protection, and newer firmware out of the box, then the Galaxy A35 might be the perfect fit for you. However, if you're satisfied with the performance of your Galaxy A34 and don't necessarily need the extra bells and whistles, sticking with your current device could be a more sensible choice. And there you have it, folks. The showdown between the Galaxy A34 and A35. So, which would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the Key Island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.